Okay, hello and welcome, Chris here, and in this video I'm going to give you a demo and review of VideoPal, which is a new cloud-based software which allows anyone to increase the profits of any website simply by adding just one line of code. Now VideoPal works with websites, it works with WordPress blogs, it even works with affiliate links and other third-party sites that you don't own. So even if you want to promote a link to the New York Times, you can drop VideoPal in there and it will work with any kind of website, your own or other people's. But basically what the software does is it creates custom video avatar animations to welcome visitors to your site. So this is kind of, and I'll show you of course in a second, but it's kind of like an animated human being which is going to appear here and read out a script. Now, it's really cool to kind of welcome people, and it's going to increase engagement and stickiness and lower bounce rates. But really beyond that kind of initial pattern interrupt, really what we want to use VideoPal for is to boost a specific call to action which is profitable for us. So we want to boost sales of a product, we want to boost email signups, affiliate commissions, clicks on a particularly important link, get them to like our Facebook page, share, subscribe, whatever it is, there's going to be a call to action that we want, and that's really what VideoPal is about, is about boosting our bottom line and getting people to take that call to action. Now I'm going to dive into the demo in just a moment, but before I do want to make one point, which is really VideoPal is all about maximizing traffic. So in itself it isn't going to get traffic for you, and so really the people that are going to make the most use out of VideoPal are people who are already have websites that get traffic, or people who are currently promoting links through affiliate links or whatever it is, but are basically in control of traffic and can add VideoPal into that kind of traffic stream, into those websites or those links, and then maximize and add value to the traffic that they're already getting. So with that all in mind, let's dive into a demo of the VideoPal software, and also ScriptPal, which is a software which I've developed specifically for VideoPal and is an exclusive bonus, a time-limited bonus to anyone who buys VideoPal through my link. So with that in mind, let's dive into VideoPal. So it's basically 4 kind of core steps. The whole process is very quick. It can probably be done in around a minute. Now I actually created an animated image here, a GIF file, just to kind of show how quick the process is. Now I'm going to go in a second and demonstrate each one of these steps, but you can see how rapid the process is here. So it is a really quick process. And the other thing as well, by the way, is as well as the software which I'll demonstrate, you also get this kind of guide which will run through everything in real detail, as well as training videos and stuff. So you're not going to be left kind of out in the cold in terms of understanding it, but it really is a very simple software. So the first step is we'll want to choose from 20 avatars, and if I just go over to the tool, you can see that we have 2D animated avatars, we have 3D animated avatars, we have human avatars, and then we can even import our own video. But I'm just going to go with this guy here, which is the bodybuilder, and I'm going to select him and click next, and you can see that we're now onto the next kind of page. And on this page we can basically choose from various voiceovers, US English, British English. And there's a lot of voiceovers. To give them credit, they've really gone in here in terms of the different voiceovers. So I'm just going to stick with male Justin. Now we can paste our own script in here, and as I say, I've actually built a software, ScriptPal, excuse me, which I'll come into in a second, which will create our scripts for us. But VideoPal does have some ready-made scripts, so I'm just going to go with Sell Software, and you can see that we have this kind of pre-created script. So I could change this. Let's say that my website was called website.com. I could insert this here. I could edit it just a little bit, and then when I'm ready I can just kind of click next. I can also click here to play, although with my current audio setup you won't be able to hear that anyway, so I'm just going to. And you can see on the next page what we can do here is essentially we can choose from various call to actions. So we can enter a button, and I'm just going to put in a button as google.com. Or we can also enter Aweber sign up forms, get response forms, and basically integrate those into VideoPal and actually get people to take a particular, get the people to sign up to our newsletter from within VideoPal. So I'm going to stick to the button. I'm going to have the button say click here, and it's going to go to google.com. You can also set delays in terms of when it should actually appear, when the call to action should appear, but I'm just going to click through onto the next page. You can see the next page gives us some customization options here in terms of where we load it, the position, is it on the bottom right, is it on the bottom left, do we amend that slightly based on X and Y coordinates, does it play once per visit, should we allow people to mute it, does it close automatically after playing. So there's quite a few options here in terms of the customization of this, but I'm just going to click on create, because I actually want to show you the kind of time it takes to actually process this and create. So typically I've kind of got this down to probably around 30 to 40 seconds it typically takes. So while I wait for that to load, I'm just going to go over here and actually show you how easy it is to create and actually embed this. So obviously you can't really see this fully, but you can see this is one of my WordPress kind of done for you sites, and you can see that I've just created a very simple post, just kind of a standard issue WordPress article. I've called it Video Pal Test. I've typed in some content, and then all I've done is just clicked on the text and just embedded the script that VideoPal creates. And you can see it's actually just done that now while we're waiting for that. So I'm not entirely sure if you'll be able to see this with the the current screen width, but I'm just going to click on this link here. I'm just going to grab this actually, and we'll just go there and see if you can actually see this. Okay, I think, let me just turn on system audio there.
This offer is not available to the public and will only be here for a very limited time. Please take a look at this.
Obviously a comical mismatch, by the way, between the voice that I selected on this one and the bodybuilder which I've chosen. But essentially you can kind of see the content and kind of how the process works. And then obviously we've got our Click Now link, which is going to take us to the website. So that essentially is it in a nutshell, and it was so quick. Like I say, I know there's this manual here, but really it was so quick that I didn't even kind of have to go through the steps. But the steps really are simple. We choose an avatar, we enter our script, and also choose a voice. We decide on a call to action and customize things, and then we export our code into our website, WordPress. Oh, and I've also put here affiliate link. There is actually one thing that I do want to show you, and that's, I did mention that you can export, not only add this to your own website, kind of like this, but you can add it to other people's websites. And the way that you do that is by basically putting in your site URL here, and then it will spit out a URL, an instant URL, which will load the VideoPal animation, but with that particular site in the background. So that's kind of how you create affiliate, get this on affiliate links and external links. But obviously the process is very simple. It took me maybe a minute to actually create that. And really what we want to do is add this to all of our websites and very quickly boost engagement. I also recommend you check out the Aweber and GetResponse sign-up call to actions under step 3. And like I say, remember you can use VideoPal with external links such as affiliate links as well. So it's really kind of quite cool in that sense as well. That being said, there are a couple of issues with VideoPal really. So it is an incredible software. As I've shown you, it lets you add video avatars to any website, and in the process you can quickly boost the profits on your websites and get some very easy wins with just by adding a little bit of code. Now it also includes a few template scripts to kind of get you started, and so if I just kind of go back here, then you can see that we have these default scripts: offer discount, join our mailing list, 7 reasons to join, e-commerce website, that kind of thing. And they're kind of okay, they're kind of okay-ish, I suppose. I'm not really blown away from them. And the other thing is there's not really too many of them either. And the reason I'm kind of going on about this is that the scripts, the words that we use, are a huge part of what drives people to action. So in a sales video, it's not just about the animations, it's about the words that are being used. In a sales script, a website, then it's really all about the words. And getting people to convincing people to take action, getting them to do something that we want, whether it's a purchase, it's a newsletter sign up, a big part of that is how convincing you are with the words. And so what I've basically done is I've filled the gap with this kind of issue with VideoPal and created an exclusive $497 value bonus with an exclusive software which is only for VideoPal. So this software will never be released anywhere else. Okay, and when I talk about the importance of sales scripts, I've made millions of dollars, generated millions of dollars in revenue across various methods: affiliate marketing, info marketing, and looking back, a key part of what's made me that money is the scripts that I've used. And so what I'm basically going to do is give you proven video scripts. And the way I'm going to do this is with a software I've built called ScriptPal. And essentially this has got preloaded in the background 25 of my top introduction scripts to get people to take action when they first hit a website. And all you need to do is to enter a few details about your website, about your niche, and then click this button and it's going to generate some scripts which you can then go over and import here into VideoPal. So let me just click on the ScriptPal and we're just going to enter some information here. So what niche are we in? Make money, dieting. I'm going to put make money. A verb, a doing word, we'll go with profiting. A person, what would a person in the niche be? An affiliate, a profiteer, we'll go with profiteer. Benefit, what would be a benefit someone in the make money niche would want? Getting rich maybe. Product, what should the name of the product be? Well, I'm just going to put VideoPal. What would you kind of define as failure? Losing money. Result, getting rich also. A headache, something that someone in the niche would, kind of not really want to go through. Technical BS. A website, I'm just going to put in site.com. Okay. Then all we do is we click on Get Script Ideas, and as you can see, it's going to generate all of these scripts. And you can see the red is where our word has been inserted, and the rest is kind of the rest is kind of my default template script which I'm providing. You can see we've broken down into two categories: generic kind of welcome, where we're not really talking about a specific call to action, we're just kind of welcoming them to the site, and call to action, where we're getting them to take a particular call to action. So I've checked both, and you can see we can just kind of scroll through the scripts here. And by the way as well, that these won't always make grammatical sense, because it's difficult to build this kind of software that understands things like, and before a and things like that. But that's absolutely fine. We can easily customize it. Now we can either click on this button here to add it, and it will then get added to our clipboard that we can go back and look at later on, or we can just kind of copy all of this, go straight over to VideoPal and paste this in, and I'm just going to customize it a little bit here. I obviously put this in uppercase as well, but who loves money making, want to start profiting today, then check out VideoPal. No more wasted traffic. Simply click through to start profiting in just a few minutes. Okay, web profiteer, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you soon. So I did have to edit that, but that was mostly because I made the mistake of putting this in uppercase. Okay, but other than that, you can see that the scripts we get in here are pretty good. So some of them recommend they sign up to a newsletter, some of them are focused on another newsletter one there. Some of them are focused on getting people to buy some software. Some are focused on e-commerce. Some are focused on getting people to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like us on Facebook. There's various kind of scripts. There's 25 scripts in total, and as I say, these are proven scripts that have worked well for me kind of in the past. So that really plugs the kind of gap. That software, that ScriptPal software really plugs the gap in terms of the one missing piece with ScriptPal. And as I say, it's going to give you the ability to automatically create scripts, which we can then use in ScriptPal, which is really, really a key part of what's going to drive action and give you that edge over even the other marketers who do actually have VideoPal. But that's not all. So that really is the main bonus that I'm going to give you. There's no doubt it's an exclusive custom built software specifically for the VideoPal promotion. I'm only guaranteeing to keep this open for 12 hours. So the date today is the 17th of February. It's currently 2 o'clock GMT at 9 a.m. Eastern time. I'm going to keep this open till midnight Eastern tonight, Friday the 17th. After that, it really depends on where we are in terms of how many we've sold. Basically, the kind of the way to see if this is actually still available and what my bonuses are is scroll down on this page and actually look and see what's here. So you can see obviously we've not gone live yet, and so all of these features are here. If one of them has been removed, it means it's sold out. If you see them, you can still click this button here and get hold of all of the bonuses. So I'm going to give you ScriptPal. I'm also going to give you 2 additional WordPress plugins focused on video. I'm going to give you an additional video training course. Of course, this is about video. And then finally, just to kind of sweeten the deal, I'm also going to give you 2 products with exclusive master rights that you can resell or use as bonuses as well. So really, I don't think that there's any kind of anyone else that can do a bonus package better than this, simply because I've built a custom software that will give you my proven scripts and let you automatically customize them for your website and your niche and what you want to do, and then use that with VideoPal. So it's really, really cool, but like I say, I'm only going to guarantee to keep this open until midnight tonight. And after that, you'll have to look below here and see if it's still available, which it may not be. So, you know, these are just a few of the things that you are going to get if you click through. So if you do order today, you're going to get $497 worth of value to boost your website profits. You will of course get the VideoPal software, which is going to allow you to add that code, embed that little VideoPal animation and boost your website's profits and get people to get people to take action, do what you want them to do basically. And as I say, it works not only with websites, WordPress blogs and affiliate links too. You're also going to get the training videos and the quick start guide that come with VideoPal. You're of course going to get my ScriptPal bonus, which is pretty insane. It's a custom software which builds proven scripts for VideoPal. It's not only exclusive to me, it's exclusive to this offer, and after that I'm not going to be releasing the software anywhere else. You're going to get 2 additional video softwares, a video training package, and also resale rights to 2 courses, one of which is on e-commerce and the second of which is in dieting. So, you know, 2 pretty big niches there, make money and the dieting kind of niche. But as I say, this bonus will only last so long. We are talking a few hours. It's a very, very limited offer. In particular, my ScriptPal software isn't going to be around for too long. So you definitely want to get hold of ScriptPal. You definitely want to get hold of VideoPal as well. So simply go to this page here, just go under the video, click on this button, purchase VideoPal, and you'll get instant access to all of this stuff within your JBZoo account. You don't have to do anything else. So once again, thank you for being a visitor, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Cheers.